Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Honor 10 Lite smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how you can set ringtone in Honor 10 Lite smartphone. First of all, go to the settings in your phone Honor 10 Lite. Click on settings. Click on sounds here. Click on simple ringtone. Here you have three options to set a ringtone. These are all ringtones. Just pick up any one tone. Otherwise, you can choose music file that you have in your device. Just select any song and go back to activate. Yes, it's activated now. See it here. You can also set video as ringtone. Select any video file from your device. I pick up this one and click on tick mark here. Yes, the video has been applied as ringtone here. In the similar way, you can set sim to ringtone. Selecting a music file, otherwise selecting a video from your gallery. I select this one. Otherwise, set a ringtone from phone ringtone, that is ringtones. You can also choose none if you don't want set any ringtone for the same too. In a similar way, you can set a tone for message and see it here. This is also similar to what I have done for ringtone. And click on more sound settings. Here you can just control turn off or turn on these buttons. Keypad tones, screen lock sound, screenshot sound, and screen touch sound, etc. Just you can turn on or turn off. You cannot set any specific ringtone here. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.